This question is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your WordPress questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to create a menu in WordPress. It's pretty simple, so every theme is going to be a little bit different regarding how many menus you can add and their placement, but the core of WordPress is going to be the same. You can access your menus by going to Appearance. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and then Menus. All right, and from the menus, you're going to see all the menus that you have active currently. So I have two menus, or let's see, I have three menus, or four menus here. I have a homepage new menu, a main menu, a main nav, and a top bar. If you click into the tab Manage Locations, you're going to see what kind of menus you have in your theme. So my theme supports three menus. So we're going to have a before header menu, which that's sometimes called a top menu or a top bar or even a secondary navigation bar or menu. So that's going to be above the current header that you have. Usually that's stored for something like if you have social widgets or you have an email you want to put up there or maybe a text saying you have free shipping. So that's where you're going to put that. I also have my main header menu and I also have a footer menu. So if I go back to edit menus, I'm going to show you how to build out a menu. So if you go, you can click a current menu or you can go to create a new menu. So I'm going to create a new menu and I'm just going to name it new menu. And I'm going to create it. Awesome. So you're going to see a few different settings. You're going to see auto add pages. I usually have this off. You can have this on if you want. Pretty much what this does, whenever you create a page that isn't a child page or a post or something like that, it's going to automatically be added to this menu. And if you're creating a lot of pages at once, you're going to want to have this selected off. Okay. Now you're going to want to display your location. I'm going to want to display this in the footer menu as well as the main menu. Now you can select whatever ones you want. You can have it in the top bar. You can have it in all three. You can just have it in one. It's just kind of up to you what you want to do. And then you would see on the side, it says add menu items. So if I had a bunch of pages here, they'd all be selected here. You can choose which ones you want to add. So I can say I want to add home and I click add to menu. If you had a lot of posts, you can add specific posts. You can also add custom links. You can do some cool things here. You can add icons with some code, or if you had a link to maybe an external form or something, you can add the URL here and then just add the link text, say contact, and then that will add. And then you would just have to have I'm just going to do this for now. There we go. So you'd add a URL there. And then you can also add categories. And you might see a bunch of different options here depending on what your theme is. You might see like portfolio items or something like that. You can add whatever you want. And then I'm going to click Save Menu. Awesome. So now you're going to see select a menu to edit. You're going to see new menu, header menu, and footer menu. So if I go down here, I'm going to see that because I selected this as my new header menu, it's taken off the previous one that I had there from that, and it's made it deactivated. So if I just save this menu, it's been updated. I can click Manage with Live Preview, or I can just go and click Visit Site would be up there, or I already have the site pulled up. And I'm just going to hit refresh here. And there you go. You can see that I've added some new menu items. And you can also style these. That's usually going to be in your Customize menu. From Appearance, go down to Customize. All right. And then you're going to see menu options here. And then whatever menus that you have active. So I have new menu. Then you see here, you can also edit all these features that we just kind of did right from here. This is because of my theme. It might be a little different for you depending on your theme. But yeah, so that's how you add a header menu to your WordPress. Hope that helps and have a great day.